Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, if you have one of these JSW TVs, yours might be slightly different. I'm going to show you to connect a USB flash drive. So as you can see here guys, it's a USB flash drive. It doesn't matter which type it is. Go ahead and I'm going to show you to get your flash drive and I'm going to show you to connect it up. Alright, you can use these to play music, videos, you name it. Alright. So first of all, you're going to go to the back of the TV and find a free USB port and attach this. Alright, so this is the back of my TV and you can see here two free USB ports, 1 and 2, doesn't matter which one. Go ahead and plug the USB flash drive in to either port. Alright, so as you can see here, it's detected and it says Media Center, USB device plugged in. Alright, so that screen only appears for a while. You can go ahead if you get the chance to open the file or open the media player. However, you might not get the chance as it disappears quickly. I'm going to show you the normal way to get to the drive itself. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to move through the options and you're going to go to the media player. Now the media player should be able to access the drive. So as you can see here, the media player itself is reading the USB drive, and I know it's reading it because it says clearly right over there, USB drive. Alright, so that's my USB drive that's currently connected, and you have several options. You have the internal storage, which is your TV storage. USB drive specifically goes to the drive. Alright, and the file system is very simple. You can view all. You can specifically go to videos. You'll have to select audio. So for example, if I hit audio, it should select the audio files, and if I do images, it should select the images, or simply all. It doesn't really matter. Go here. You should know your flash drive. Simply go through and search for the files that you want. For example, here I have several different files. For example, I could go here for camera, videos, whatever that is, pictures, you name it. So I can go through my files, and of course I can play them on the TV. Alright, so from here you can go ahead and play whatever you wanted to play, especially your music or your videos, according to where you have placed them. Alright, so that's how to access your flash drive on a JSW TV. I hope this was useful and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.